Guardians of Wisdom, the legend of the peach tree. Once upon a time, nestled within the serene valley of the Valley of Peace, stood a majestic tree known as the peach tree of heavenly wisdom. Its branches stretched toward the sky like outstretched arms, adorned with luscious pink blossoms that shimmered like stars in the moonlight. Legend had it that this tree held a secret story, one whispered only among the winds and shared by those pure of heart. Long ago, when the world was young and magic flowed freely, the peach tree of heavenly wisdom was not just an ordinary tree. It was said to be enchanted by the spirits of ancient masters who sought to protect the valley and its inhabitants. These spirits imbued the tree with wisdom beyond measure, granting it the ability to see into the hearts of those who sought its guidance. As time passed, the valley flourished under the tree's watchful gaze. Villagers would gather beneath its branches, seeking counsel and solace in times of joy and sorrow. But there came a time when darkness threatened to overshadow the valley. A wicked sorcerer known as Bane coveted the power of the peach tree, believing it held the key to unrivaled supremacy. With a heart consumed by greed, Bane unleashed his dark magic upon the valley, casting a veil of shadows that threatened to engulf everything in its path. The once vibrant valley now lay shrouded in despair, and the peach tree of heavenly wisdom stood as the last beacon of hope against the encroaching darkness. Amidst the chaos, a young orphan named May ventured into the valley, guided by a flicker of hope in her heart. Drawn by an unseen force, she stumbled upon the peach tree and gazed upon its radiant beauty with wonder. Sensing the purity of her spirit, the tree whispered its tale to her, revealing its secret history and the true power it held within. Determined to restore light to the valley, May embarked on a quest to confront Bane and reclaim the stolen essence of the peach tree. Along her journey, she encountered allies from all walks of life, each offering their unique strengths to aid her cause. Together, they faced trials and tribulations, overcoming obstacles that tested their courage and resolve. With unwavering determination, May and her companions ventured deep into the heart of darkness, where Bane awaited, his malevolent presence looming like a storm on the horizon. In a climactic battle of wills and magic, May confronted Bane, wielding the light of the peach tree as her shield. With a resounding cry, she unleashed the power within her, dispelling the shadows that had plagued the valley and restoring balance to the world. As the dawn broke over the Valley of Peace, the peach tree of heavenly wisdom stood tall once more, its blossoms blooming with renewed vigor. May and her companions gathered beneath its branches, their hearts full of gratitude and newfound wisdom. And so, the secret story of the peach tree was revealed, a tale of courage, friendship, and the enduring power of hope. For in the darkest of times, it is our belief in the goodness of others and the strength of our own spirit that guides us toward the light. And the lesson it imparts to us all, young and old alike, is that no matter how daunting the journey may seem, as long as we hold fast to our dreams and stand together as one, we can overcome any challenge that lies before us. This is spiritual wisdom. Stories. Thank you so much for watching. May your path be lined with endless enlightenment and inner peace. Until we meet again, stay blessed and stay connected to the wisdom within.